Hello friends, today I am going to explain you how to solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1, chapter number 5, data handling. Friends, first we have to understand the question. The question is, draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3 and answer the following questions. These questions are given to us. We have to answer this question on the frequency table made in the question number 3. Friends, subscribe my channel to get notification of question number 3. Friends, this is the frequency table of question number 3. And on the basis of this frequency table, we have to answer question number 4. So let's start. Friends, first we will make a histogram of this frequency table. So let's see where we have to make the histogram, what is histogram and how it can be made. Yes, friends, histogram is made on a bar graph. Friends, histogram doesn't have space between the bars. We have to make the lines x-axis and y-axis with a scale. You can take any scale. Now let's draw y-axis first. Yeah, this is our vertical line. Now we have to draw a horizontal line below it. Now let's see how to draw it. Yeah, drawn. Now see, we are ready with our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Now here we will put the weekly wages and here we will put the frequency. So let's see, here we will write weekly wages and draw arrows like this. Friends, if you make the histogram like this, you will get full number. I have to give you guarantee. Here we will write frequency. 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 Okay. Now let's put weekly wages here. $800 here, 810 to 800, 820. Now 820 to 830. Here 830 to 840. Here 840 to 850. 850 to 860. 860 to 870. 870 to 880. 880 to 890 and 890 to 900. Friends, there is a rule for histogram that we have to make it always with a pencil. Now let us 1, 2, Friends, here our scale is 1 square is equal to 2. We have to write here our scale. 1 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 11. We have marked all these. Now we will make histogram on these bars, and remember that these do not have gap in them, and we have to make the bars with a scale. Yes, so let's make the wages of 800 to 810 to 4. Here we will write 4. 810 to 820, it is 2. Now the next one is 1 only. 1. Okay. Now 830 to 840, it is to 11. Yes, 11. We will write here 11. Now 840 to 850, what we will write here? That is 2. 850 to 60, it is also 2. And 860 to 70, it is also 2. 2 here, 2 here. Now 870 to 880, it is 1. Now 880 to 890, it is 4. Yes, 4. And 890 to 900, it is 1. Now friends, we have made the histogram. Now we have to answers on the basis of this histogram. First is, which group has the maximum number of workers? 830 to 840 has the maximum number of workers. Okay. Now second is, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? Friends, we have to find how many workers earn rupees 850 and more. So we will start from here. 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So how many workers? 10. Now third is, how many workers earn less than rupees 850? Friends, as we all know, there were 30 workers. We can simply say that 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. But to verify our answer, we can also check it. So let's see. 2, 11. 2 and 11, 13 plus 1, 14. 15, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Friends, I hope that you understand how to solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1. Friends, to get the remaining parts, please subscribe my channel to get notification. Thank you.